Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive right into how to retrieve deleted Trello cards. Firstly, open your Trello board and navigate to the Show menu button on the top right corner of your screen. The reason we do this is because the menu contains all the board settings and additional features, including the one we need to retrieve our deleted cards. Next up, click on the More option in the drop-down menu. This will reveal a list of additional options. We're interested in the Archived Items option, which is where Trello stores cards that have been deleted from the board. Now, once you've opened the Archived Items list, you'll see a list of all your deleted cards. This is where the magic happens. Trello doesn't permanently delete cards when you remove them from your board. It simply moves them to this archived area. This helps us because it means we can retrieve any card we've mistakenly removed. Then, find the card you want to retrieve and click on it. You'll see two options, Send to Board and Delete. Click on Send to Board to retrieve your deleted card. The reason we do this is to move the card back to the board from the archive. Now that we've done that, your card should be back on your board right where you want it. You can move it to a different list or keep it where it is, depending on your preference. And there you have it, simple and straightforward. Remember, mistakes are part of the process, and Trello has your back with this handy feature. That's all for today's tutorial on retrieving deleted Trello cards. Thanks for watching, keep organizing, and see you in the next tutorial.